Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a super important topic for travelers, remote workers, and anyone using digital connectivity: troubleshooting eSIM issues, common problems, and easy fixes. Before we get started, this video is brought to you by Baztel, one of the best global eSIM providers, offering affordable and reliable data plans for travelers worldwide. If you're looking for hassle-free connectivity, definitely check out Baztel. One of the most common issues people face with eSIMs is activation problems. You scan the QR code but it just won't activate. Easy fix: make sure your device is eSIM compatible and carrier unlocked. Double-check that you've got a strong Wi-Fi connection while activating, and don't forget to restart your phone after installation. Sometimes, a simple reboot solves the problem. Another headache is when your eSIM shows no service or keeps dropping signal. Easy fix: head into your phone settings and manually select the right carrier under network selection. Also, check if your data roaming is enabled, especially if you're traveling internationally. With Baztel eSIMs, this is super smooth because their plans automatically connect you to the strongest local network. Sometimes your eSIM installs fine but mobile data doesn't work. Easy fix: double-check your APN, access point name settings. Some providers require you to enter APN details manually. You'll usually find these in your eSIM activation email or provider support page. With Baztel, APNs are configured automatically, so you rarely need to worry about this. Many people get confused because some eSIMs are data-only plans, meaning you can't make regular calls or send SMS. Easy fix: use internet-based calling apps like WhatsApp or FaceTime for communication. Baztel offers both data-only and data plus voice options depending on your travel needs. A few quick tips to avoid eSIM issues. Always install your eSIM before traveling. Keep a backup QR code or activation details saved. Don't delete your eSIM unless instructed by support. So there you have it, the most common eSIM problems and how to fix them quickly. Choose a trusted provider like Baztel to reduce chances of running into issues in the first place. Check out the link in the description. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon for more travel and tech tips. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.